this video, we will take an in-depth look at UVMaster, an integrated plugin that quickly and effortlessly calculates the UV coordinates for us. UV coordinates are essential for mapping a two-dimensional texture onto a three-dimensional model. We can visualize this concept as follows. Here we have a cube on the stage. To represent its texture, this cube must be mapped as a 2D image within the UV coordinate system. This is how it works. We systematically divide the 3D model into distinct sections, creating seams that allow for a significantly more accurate representation and effective texturing of the model within the UV coordinate system. Depending on the complexity of the models, these UV maps can vary significantly. Let's delve into the UVMaster, conveniently located in the plugin palette at the top. When we click the Unwrap button, a small informational window will then appear. The notification indicates that we can only generate UVs for a 3D model that does not contain any polygonal intermediate levels. Unfortunately, we can't delete the polygonal levels as they contain all the essential work and progress made within them. In this case, we click the Work on Clone button. During this process, a new tool is created using the model's lowest polygon level. Here, we generate our UV coordinates and later transfer them to our model, along with the intermediate levels. In typical 3D applications, we manually define the cuts on our model. In ZBrush, we follow a slightly different workflow. Here, we use colors to indicate the areas we want to protect and the specific locations where we want to make cuts. Let's activate the painting tools. By using the red color, we clearly specify which sections should remain uncut. While the blue color indicates the specific areas that are intended for cutting. Once we've finished, we select Unwrap to proceed. To view the UV coordinates, we then choose Flatten. We have just created these UV coordinates. If we are satisfied with the result, we click on Copy UVs. And then, for the model with the polygonal intermediates, we click on Paste UVs. By selecting New from UV Check within the texture palette, we'll see that everything has worked perfectly. Within UVMaster, there are several additional settings and options available to us. For instance, there's the option to use existing UV seams. We can apply this to a model where the UVs are already present in order to recalculate them. By using the Polygroups button, we define the seams with polygroups. In the next video, we will explore how to light our 3D model in ZBrush.